Hey guys, what's going on? It's Grant from Grant and Shelby here today with another Jacked Pack. For those of you who don't know what Jacked Pack is, it is a supplement subscription. Costs roughly around 15 bucks a month, and they ship you monthly supplements. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out and see exactly what are in here. The first one, it wasn't really as good as I thought it would be. This one's actually like twice as big, which is awesome. And also sounds like there's something else in there. So really excited to open this up and get started. Oh wow, okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Where to begin? So let's go ahead and start off with, looks like I got a small shaker, which that's really cool. It's super tiny compared to my other ones. It has a little compartment for supplements, and yeah, it's a lot tinier than I thought. It also comes with a carabiner, and this will be like the ball or the funnel thing. So yeah, this is gonna be really interesting. I'm gonna try this out, see how it works compared to my other shakers. So no, it's super cool. Next up, we have MetRx little snack cups, which that's awesome. So it's 10 grams of protein with chocolate hazelnut and like a little bit of pretzel sticks or breadsticks. So they gave me 2 cups of them, which I mean, it's really good on the go, which will be really good. I wonder how they taste, just because of its MetRx compared to like Nutella or things like that. But it's still really good to try. So, and then I also got some cookie bites from MetRx. These feel a little bit softer, so which is really cool. 12 grams of protein here. Whey protein cookies. I think they're gonna be good. Gonna try them out as a snack and see if they're good or not. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about this one first. It looks like it's called Powder Burn 2.0. It is a pre-workout. It's from Rivalus. I've actually never even heard of this company. Stuff that's in here, it's a 200 milligram caffeine. Taurine, looks like there's 500 milligrams. Beta alanine, looks like there's 1.6 grams. Looks like there's a ton of stuff in here that will definitely get you going. So okay, very unique. Looks like they also got you some casein protein from the same company. It is vanilla overload. So for those of you who don't know what casein is, it's a slow digestion protein compared to a whey protein, which typically hits you a lot quicker. This is really good for bedtime. It's really good for any time that your body tends to slow down. So even like during like halfway between meals or something like that, like closer to the end of the day, that's a typically good snack to have, or I guess protein. So okay, so I did get a C4 pre-workout just like last time. And then I also got Hyde, which I've had before on the channel. It's Lollipop Punch compared to their Bombsicle ones. So those are always still good, still good go-tos. One thing I'm not really a fan of is that they gave me 6-star, and it was a sample pack. And this was also triple chocolate. There's a lot of chocolate stuff in here, which I actually specifically said that I didn't want any chocolate or any really focusing on protein. I typically wanted pre-workouts and BCAAs, and which they did deliver on the BCAAs for once. It's the blue raz, but it's only 1 serving. For the BCAAs, 5,000. Gonna try that out, see how it is, in the field and things like that. So, but anyway, that is the box. My overall take on it, not really worth 15 still, but it's getting there. So it is a lot better than the previous box. I am gonna try it for 1 more month and see how it is. And then after that, I probably if I don't like it, I will cancel after that. But then I might have it for another month because this box came in really late, which that's completely fine. That's okay. It came in within the month, which is nice. I would have rather had it come a lot earlier. So anyway, so yeah, I got the snack cups, which that's pretty cool. The cookie bites, you have whey protein, casein protein, pre-workouts, and then a BCA. I also did get a shaker, so it might be worth it because of getting a shaker. A shaker is typically like $8 to $10. You know, the shaker plus the supplements, then yeah, you know, it's probably a good like $20, $25 box overall. So, I mean, it is worth it, but again, you know, you are paying that $15 price compared to like a $30 price for one of the bigger boxes. But anyway, what do you guys think about the box? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you think there was something missing? Please put that in the comments down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.